So you have hawks trying to kind of hold down an area, and the March migration of there he goes. The March migration of swallowtail kites have moved in. Look, and they're more of a, you know, kind of a fierce raptor. Hear 'em? They're awesome. But there are red-shouldered hawks out here, and they use that open prairie right there, and they hunt here. Well, so do those kites. They want to hunt here too. So we're kind of having like who's who. The kite, they're in like a group of 6. There they go. There he goes. Look, he's flying all the way around. See if we can get him. There he is. He's actually like kind of trying. There's a hawk somewhere up there. He'll make a noise here in a second. But the kite keeps like circling it back around. Can't get a good beat on him because he moves so fast. But you'll hear there's a hawk behind me, and then there's a hawk that I'm aiming at somewhere up in that tree. It's kind of cool, you know, you're watching 2 different raptors kind of compete for the same space. Same perches, like those perches over there, all those high treetop perches, and then all this open grass over here to catch squirrels and whatever. Yeah, and then you got all this cover in here with this open ground. So yeah, so but it's kind of cool because that signals a different time of year. Like you see all the blooms on the trees there. My little fig tree is starting to bloom. I'm gonna get a new phone soon, so my videos will be like